Welcome back to Channel Guys while we're on tours. Here we are, we're still in Rhodes, Faliraki. We'll take a little walk. See what's going on. It's about, what time is it, coming up for 4 o'clock?
Yeah, it's still roasting.
It is hot, hot, hot. So yeah. So yeah. Let's see how busy it is at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Quite quiet, to be fair.
They're just chilling, aren't they?
Yeah. Yeah, it does explode like that sometimes, the water. Mine did as well. Well, they have it in the freezer. But yeah. So most people will be in their hotels at the moment. Midday sunshine. And the hottest part of the day is now 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, between sort of like 3 and 6, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, let's get the I love Faliraki sign. Let's get that in there quickly for the thumbnail. There we go. Lovely. So George's, that's where you get your amazing deals. We was in there the other night, we've got a special coming out for George's. We did the 2 hours, drink all you want, cocktails, beers, anything you want. It's all for €20 for 2 hours. So yeah, that video will be out in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, we had a good night in there. Bedrock, we haven't actually been in Bedrock. Don't know why, but we never really went in there. This bus stop here, F28, is where you get the bus to Rhodes town.
Thank you.
That's all right, mate, no worries. Old Casper over there, let's go and say hello to Casper quickly. Say our goodbyes, so we're going home today. So we'll quickly say hello to Casper. The old wreckhead. He's got a special video of him in it. Oh! Yes, we're just going home, so we'll probably come see you before we go. Yeah.
Have a safe home trip.
Thank you. Thank you. See ya.
Bye. See you.
So that was Casper. He's in Beach Boys. It's a great little bar. Got a video special coming up with that as well. But yeah. Beach Boys is open all day. It's got all deals on. Got a video, I went in here last night as well, so you'll see that coming up on the channel. Oh, got myself stuck. So yeah, heading down towards Bar Street. As you can see, not a lot of people out, but it is busy. If you've seen our night videos, everyone is out here from say like 7 till what, about 11 o'clock at night. All these bars, restaurants all full up. But yeah, Casper was right there. Car rental at the moment is a lot more expensive. I think we paid 55 per day. And yeah, he said in September it can be low as 25 per day. So low season seems to be the time to come. It is a bit hot at the moment. Not that I'm complaining though. I like the heat. But yeah, it's definitely night and day compared to how busy it is in the evening. Everyone got their shutters down. Too hot. This is like the hottest part of the day. Even though it doesn't feel as hot as the last couple of days we've been here. What do you think, Sabrina?
What?
How hot do you think it feels at the moment?
Hot.
Yeah, obviously hot, but I mean, is it as hot as like the last couple of days?
We did a lot of moving around, so it was in different parts of the island yesterday, so it was kind of started off really hot, and then we went to, I've got the name of the beach, but it was a little bit cooler there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Today there's a nice breeze.
Yeah.
I think that's when you get like fooled, because there's a breeze. The first couple of days we got here, there was like only a warm breeze, wasn't there? So it was like, yeah. I think it's been consistently like the same weather. It's been like 35, 36, and then there was that day when it reached about sort of 38, 39.
And then it was 40 yesterday.
Yeah, 40, that's what I mean. So it's been kind of, but we were in Rhodes yesterday as well. And Rhodes is, there's a nice breeze, isn't there?
Yeah. Well, I'll show you this price here. Remember to pause the video when I do that. Hopefully you can see it all. Yeah. Lovely cleaners, got an out DC for everyone tonight. Maybe one day we'll pay you to get in these clubs, but probably not. So, old cafe's open. Few people there. Well, playing crazy golf. Actually, there's people here. You see the nighttime video again. There's a lot of people playing this last night. Was it last night?
Really busy.
Yeah.
The night before. I think it was last night.
We've got quite a lot of night videos coming out, so, or they might be out already, depending on the order.
Just ring the bell and then you never miss a video.
Yeah, ring the bell. Because as always, 90% of you guys are not subscribed, but you do like to watch our videos, so please subscribe. It will help us millions. And share the videos, like the videos, interaction. If you don't like them, press the thumb down, even better. It all helps. But yeah, right. So we're going to end the video here. To your left over there, you've got Bar Street. Lovely little street food place there. But yeah.
See you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.
Bye.